So my initial plan here, let's call it plan A, was to take this hammer and turn it into a bearded axe using my newly made forge, link in the description.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
My initial plan for this forge was so I could make my brother-in-law a hatchet out of this, which is an old rotor, which I was initially going to use, but apparently the more I researched, that's a terrible idea. So luckily for me, I'm a black hillbilly and have a broken down truck that's been sitting in my yard for a while that, trust me, is not going anywhere. So I'm going to try to get the leaf springs off and use those because that's much better steel. Rusted to fuck, so. Should be enough, hopefully. I cut this down a lot, but I was hammering on this piece for hours, and it would not bend the way I needed it to, leaving me a little sad and sore.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna go and check my mail over there.
Alright, that's better. Alright, I'm gonna level with you. I have no clue what I'm doing really, so. So initially I was going to try to fold this at a 45-degree angle and make a bearded axe, but it doesn't seem like that's working too well because steel is hard apparently. I had no fucking clue, but instead I'm gonna try to cut it here and then forge weld it back together, kind of in a T shape. So we'll see how that goes. Borax is what I'll be using for flux to make the steel extra sticky. So the idea here is to heat up the steel, apply the flux, heat it back up, hammer the two pieces together, and presto, absolutely nothing happened. Now, I'm not blaming the borax or the process or my equipment because I've seen it done before, but it just doesn't seem to be working out for me. So on to the next plan. So at this point, I've decided it was definitely my equipment, not my inexperience, lack of skill, all-around stupidity, or ego. It was clearly my gaming chair, gloves. So I started the forge back up and spent the next couple hours heating, brushing, fluxing, heating, and hammering. And right about now, I'm wishing I would have spent the extra $7 on the better gloves.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies are what it takes to get better and better every day. Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies, help me look, see, I'm better at this today. Woo! Whoopsies, 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 whoopsies. I'm a little embarrassed when I look at my drawing compared to this. I'm just not getting anywhere with this. It makes me wanna hide. Aw, don't be embarrassed. Don't hide. You should have seen mine the first time I tried.
Well, none of that fucking worked, so guess I'll try something different tomorrow.